So here I am headed off to Planet Auto, tools in hand. They're having a 50% off sale today. Which is another way of saying it's going to rain today and this weekend. We're here fishing for some seats for the Rabbit. So this will be the last car I pull the seats from. I think this is a Mitsubishi Lancer, Prancer, Dancer. And these seats actually have a hint of blue in them, which I wanted all black, but you know what? My Rabbit had some blue in it, so be it. A couple attractive things here. First of all, they're always manual seats, fully manual. Yes, I think it's a Mitsubishi Lancer. But what I want to show you is this interesting middle bracket on these. See how this goes over the middle hump? That might lend itself well to installing in the Rabbit. We'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to shoot this quick video at the yard. Show you guys what the seats are coming from. Okay, here we have it. 2 seats extracted. And as the cool girls say, I'm not in love with these, but I'm in like with these. So they're pretty small. Some of these seats are really bulky. These are fairly small. I think they'll work well in the Rabbit, and if not, we'll get some other ones. I want to show you now 2 reasons why I pulled them, in addition to them just being almost black and manual. They do have this hump here. You know, you're all familiar with this hump on the Rabbit. On the Rabbit, it's like 3 inches tall. I think this one's maybe like 2.5. Might be close enough. And then of course they were mounted to the hump rather than the base. They were mounted to the base on the outside, but the center transmission hump in the middle. So that works for us. I'm gonna see how much they want for these. It's 50% off today. And go from there. Yeah, I'm that guy. Hang a seat out. Jesus, flooded. Pretty impressive, huh? Gotta grab both of these. They were like $38 for 2. Can't beat that, guys. Even if you screw up, just sell it on Craigslist. You know, I usually sell it for the same price if I don't need them, just to pass it on to somebody who can use them. Whew. I'll come back and see if I can find some more. Maybe all black, I don't know.